Hello children. Okay, I am Kumkum Chan. Now we will do some origami activity. Origami. Origami means paper folding. I have some craft material like Fevicol, scissors, scrap papers and sketch pen. Okay, first we will make paper boat. Take a piece of paper. It is of rectangle shape and we will make it in a square shape. Okay, see, this is the square shape. Now fold it in a triangle shape and from the end we will fold like this. Okay, see, now our boat is ready. Next, we will make an almirah. Almirah means where we keep our clothes. This is a rectangle paper. Okay, first just fold like this. Okay, and don't press it. Okay, just light fold. Then we will fold like this and this also. Okay, see, now this is our cupboard, this is our almirah. Just open it. Okay, and make a handle of cupboard, almirah. Okay, and you can stick stickers of your choice. Okay children, now we will make dog face. Again I have a rectangle shape paper. Again we will cut it in a square shape. See, this is the extra paper. I will just take out the extra paper. Now again we have to press from the end. Then now we have to fold like this and like this. This is dog face and these are ears. Now I will make eyes. See, our dog face is ready. Yes students, to make a lotus, we will take a square paper and now we will fold it in a triangle shape like this, and from up, now we will fold from like this. Okay, now this is lotus and we can make its stem also. Yes, see, this is, we will paste it. Yes, now your lotus is ready. Now children, I will make fish. We have to take paper in square shape. Now I am cutting the extra paper. Okay, now fold it like this and just open it and fold from this side also. Okay, now we have folded from the all two sides. Now just hold it from the end of the paper and see. Yes, now fold it like yes, like this. Okay, See. Now, see, now this is in a triangle shape. Okay. And now take one side, fold it inside and fold from this side also. See, our fish is ready and I'll make eye of the fish. See, this is fish. Did you like it? Okay, now students, I will make puppet, finger puppet. Okay, take a rectangle shape paper, fold it like this and yes, now fold like this and like this also. Okay, now we will fold like this. See, like this. Okay, and then upper part we will fold upwards and this part we will fold okay. Now see, and now what we will do, I will tongue of the puppet and I will just paste it. This is the tongue and now I will make eyes also. Cut it in a circle to make eyes. And I will paste eyes also. See, now we will put fingers in these folds. See, this is puppet.